Story so far. Feel the creative flow. Content is the magnet of any business, landing page, and website. It is the most important tool in helping achieve your firm's marketing goals, especially in this digital era. Content is the reason why people visit a particular website, and any design or redesign should be conducted with a content first approach. Because it is all about message, mindset, and marketing. Hi, I'm Neeti, best-selling author, founder Plush Inc., a creative lifestyle and mindset platform. Until now, you've gone through some of my articles and listened to my podcast and hopefully enjoyed them. And today, I want to take you through my story so far in the world of creativity. So I've helped several successful brands and have proudly partnered with many transformational businesses writing high converting brand stories, blogs, and social media posts, crafting iconic creative campaigns. Designers in any genre are the subject matter experts in what they do, be it fashion, interiors, textiles, graphics, you name it. And yes, as a designer, I like to make things visually appealing to the eye, and that's what I do with my clients' information. While sifting and sorting through challenges faced by my clients, I realized the need for value-driven blogs and messages that create brand awareness, engagement, and understanding of your business. So as a passion project and with a zeal to inspire creative entrepreneurs, I launched my book Live Your Dreams, which has been on Amazon's top 10 and crossword best-selling books and all other bookstores globally for 3 years now. So with my book Live Your Dreams, I had at my core the desire to create content with a strong narrative. The idea has been to create scenes with my words that showcase the fashion world to people who only dream of being in it. And all this while paying particular attention to how something looks and feels, even describe the silhouettes, the textures, and the patterns that spell iconic. You see, the world of fashion seems to be a little bit in the cloud to a lot of people. What do I mean by that? See, although fashion as a concept is common in the House of Commons, the general people, honestly, even I ended up writing about it almost by chance when I let myself be. I wanted to showcase the metamorphoses my protagonist goes through in the book, Live Your Dreams. Using my protagonist as the muse, I wanted to show the creative flow that an artist goes through when she is sketching. So Ria actually plays the character of a wannabe fashion designer stuck in a corporate setting, who finally breaks the ceilings of society, education, and expectations in terms of what she can and cannot do. To my mind, there is no better way than showing the flow of creativity other than exploring the design form or an art form of some sort. Be it fashion designing, architecture, interior designing, jewelry designing, or graphic designing. I have listed a few podcasts which are excerpts from the book Live Your Dreams Be You in the description below. So the scenes where Ria starts illustrating and finds herself in a different world altogether are perhaps the best scenes of the books, where my readers too get immersed in the sea of colors and textures and the depth of emotions. So my book, particularly Ria, has made me explore fashion design in a totally fresh way, as it has allowed me to undo the traditional and the bulky barriers found and learned in traditional studies. While writing this character, I felt one with Ria, letting loose as an artist, as a designer. This meant being inspired in the moment, getting drawn to something exquisite, and some sort of working with that scene when the urge to use it arose. If you look at my background with 15 years in IT sales and global outsourcing projects, it is my conviction that a connection is made with an authentic story. Ideally, effective copywriting combines proven marketing principles with branding and authentic storytelling, and my journey as a founder of Blushing has been this beautiful cusp of aspirations and creativity. This beautiful cusp of plethora of consulting and client engagement experience and this creative flow. These aspirations and this desire to tell an authentic story on the subject that I'm talking about. So that's why in 2019 I launched Blushing. And here we are an eclectic team of authentic copywriters. And together we have pulse on what's hot and what's not. We strategize, consult with you on the best way of reaching out to your audience. We create brand awareness and impact by the influence of our content. We believe that if we talk about your business and your story in a multitude of ways through our channels and social media, your traction with your audience is bound to increase. Because apart from the feel-good factor, we get into the nitty-gritty of your business, your story so far. So do you find it challenging to talk about your business? Or perhaps you are not able to target your niche audience as a creative entrepreneur. Or perhaps you're not able to reach out to the right audience through your content in a niche month after month. You see, we always love working with brands and bring out their unique side to the table, perhaps explore an essential yet unknown bit of their brand. The idea at Blushing is always to bring out the quirk in every book, every article, every brand story, every artist story that I tell, every creative entrepreneur story that I tell. Because stories that touch some strings in our heart live forever. So as my story continues to evolve, I'm going to be posting more about it over here and on our blog, because I want you to feel the creative flow as much as I do. Because I had at my core the desire to create content with a strong narrative, and I continue to do that every single day. And on that note, signing off, this is Nidhi Keswani for Luxury Unplugged. Keep tuning in for more podcasts.